Welcome to Under Pressure Bathroom Remodeling Services in Kansas City, where we turn your bathroom dreams into a reality. Serving metropolitan Kansas City communities including Independence, Overland Park, Leawood, Shawnee, Mission, and Prairie Village. At Under Pressure Property Services, we offer free bathroom remodeling estimates, ensuring a worry-free and transparent experience for homeowners and businesses in Missouri and the surrounding areas. Your comfort is our priority, with a dedicated project manager overseeing every detail to make your bathroom a functional and relaxing oasis. Our bathroom remodeling process is designed for your convenience. We start by meeting with you virtually or in person, understanding your remodeling goals, and providing professional design suggestions within your budget. Explore some of our past work, showcasing the diverse range of bathroom remodeling services we offer. From countertops and floors to bathtubs, sinks, and showers. From makeovers to complete transformations, our skilled bathroom remodeling contractors handle every detail. Our designers work closely with you, planning every aspect of your new bathroom, from layout to finishing touches. Ready to transform your bathroom? Call us today at 913-274-9555 to talk to our dedicated team. Let's make your bathroom dreams a reality.